I'm back in that mode. Play with someone else, promise this ain't what you want. I'ma pour the deuces out the spot and watch it flow. In that finna door, I got it flying off the road.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Rich Amiri in the song In That Mode off of the album Grit and Grace, which came out sometime in October. So I know it's been a while since it's dropped, but I made this cover as soon as it came out and I just never got around to recording this video. So we're here now. Also, I feel like this album didn't do that well, to be honest, but I still like how most of the album sounded, so I thought I'd make you guys a preset for those Rich Amiri fans that are out there. And yeah, I think I got really accurate with this preset, so let's just get into it. For those of you guys that haven't heard In That Mode by Rich Amiri, this is what it sounds like.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I'm back in that mode. Play with someone else, promise this ain't what you want. I'ma pour the deuce inside the Sprite and watch it flow. In that van the door, I got it flying off the road. Oh, now you in your bag, huh? Now you got it poppin', left them niggas in the past, huh? Now you coming fresh when you was just down to your last, huh? Oh, you say you got me, I don't even gotta ask, huh?
Okay, and now as always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals. So this is what I sound like, trying to sound like Rich Amiri in that mode.
Yeah, okay, let's do it. Yeah, I'm back in that mode. Play with someone else, promise this ain't what you want. I'ma pour the deuces out the Sprite and watch it flow. In that finna door, I got it flying off the road.
Okay, so that's my raw vocals, and then you turn on all these presets and this is what it sounds like.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I'm back in that mode. Play with someone else, promise this ain't what you want. I'ma pour the deuces out the spot and watch it flow. In that finna door, I got it flying off the road. Yeah, now you in your bag, huh? Now you got it poppin', left your brothers in the past, huh? Now you coming first when you was just down to your last, huh? Oh, you say you got me, I don't even gotta ask, huh?
So that is what those Rich Amiri presets sound like, and all of these presets will be completely free. The only preset in this that isn't free is my master preset, and for this song it looks like I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. So if you guys want a master preset that makes your music sound a little bit more professional, this will be linked below. Or if you want to get this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template set up with all these presets ready to record in, and my Best Waves master preset, as well as my best stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will only be $15 on my website. So if you rather get all of this for an extra $5, you can go cop that instead. But if you guys don't want to spend any money, that's completely fine. All of these other presets will be completely free in the Discord. All you have to do is go down to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then all of these Rich Amiri presets will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in here, so go get some presets and go make some good music. Okay, now I got a couple things I got to show you guys about these presets. Once you have these downloaded, all you got to do is just drag them into your FL Studio, and then to use them, all you got to do is go to your options, your audio settings. Make sure you're in your interface if you have an interface. If you don't have an interface, maybe use ASIO for all. That way you can get a little less latency by changing your buffer length, because FL Studio ASIO only lets you go down to 256, and you really need a lower buffer length to get lower latency. But I'm gonna go ahead and change this to my interface so you guys can see. And then once you're in your interface, all you have to do is click right here, click input 1, and then you'll be able to hear yourself with the preset, and you just press record.
Yeah.
And that is how you record with the presets. And then another thing you have to set up when you drag these presets in is these reverb and delay buses. So essentially this bus has your reverb, and then these buses have your delays. This one has a half note delay, and this one has an 1/8 note delay. So what you want to do when you set these up is you want to go ahead and click on your main preset, and then you want to click these arrows down here on the reverb and the delay buses, and then you want to turn these knobs to about 50% on both the delays and about 20% on the reverb. But if you want it to sound exactly like mine, you can see the percentages at the top left are 21%, 54%, and 52%. And then also I have the wide ad-lib going into the reverb at 76% as well. And then the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is the auto-tune settings, just in case you guys have different auto-tunes. This song was in the key of E flat major. I use a retune speed of 5 and a humanize of 10 on the main, and I also set the formant shift to 106, that way I could get my voice to sound a little bit deeper. And then for the ad-lib, I also did a retune speed of 5 and a humanize of 10, but I only formant shifted it to 102. And then for the other ad-lib, I had the exact same settings. Also, I do want to let you guys know I used Fresh Air for this preset, but this plugin is completely free. All you have to do is go to Slate Digital's website, make an account, download the plugin for free, and set it up. It's not too hard. So I'll leave that linked in the description as well for you guys. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. So if it did help you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.